In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide your posts from Facebook timeline. So first, we want to open our Facebook application. Let's go to our profile by tapping the menu button, tapping on our profile, and then going to the post that you want to hide. Tap the menu button, which is the three dots, and then tap hide from timeline. Let's confirm it. Now that post will no longer appear in our timeline. So what if we want to unhide a post that we have hidden? Let's go to our profile again and then click the three buttons here. And then you want to go to activity log and then the filters, categories, logged actions and other activity. And then let's go to the hidden from timeline. So this page will display to you all your posts in the past that you have hidden. In this case, I only have one. So if I want to show this or unhide this post, I'm gonna tap the three buttons here, which brings up the menu. And then I'll just tap on show on timeline. So as you can see, it's no longer hidden from my timeline. It displays as it normally would. And that's how you hide and unhide a post from your Facebook timeline. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.